Well, hello. Welcome to Color Factory Kids. You want to say hello?
Hi.
Hi. Well, today we are going to be
Drawing a cat.
a cat. Why are we going to draw a cat? Because that's your favorite animal in the whole wide world? Okay, cool. Well, what we're going to do, Color Factory Kids, we believe that drawing should be fun. It should be easy. And I'm going to show you some simple ideas and simple principles to teach you how to draw and make fun really easy and really fun.
Yeah.
So when we draw a cat today, we're going to use lines, circles, and squares. And we need 3 supplies. We need a pencil. We need a Sharpie, a black marker, and then some color markers. Awesome. So that's what we're going to use. That's all we need. If you don't have the markers or the Sharpies, don't worry about it. So, but we will start with a pencil, and I'm going to show you just the basic principles on how to draw. And Remy's going to follow along. Remy's already a really good artist. She's been drawing since she was little bitty.
Yeah.
But she wants to learn how to draw like Papa G. All my drawings, when I start my drawings, I want to make sure I have a top and a bottom. This way I don't run out of paper. And then I put a line down the middle, which tells me that's the center of the drawing. The cat that we're drawing, we're going to divide it in 2. One part's going to be the head, so we're going to draw a big circle. So draw a big circle around the head. And when you're doing the sketching, you want to try to draw really light, Remy, because we're going to come back and erase the sketching. Yeah. This is just to let us know what we're doing. So we're going to do the sketches. So we have the big round part for the head. Now, the body is kind of a square or a rectangle. So we have that here. So now we know we have the top and we have the bottom.
It's fine if it looks different.
It's fine if it looks different because everyone's is different. All I really want to teach you is the principles. So we have a square for the body, a big rounding circle for the head. And now we're going to start making it look like a cat. And the first thing that we do to make it look like a cat is the ears.
Ears, yeah.
Remy always likes to wear her cat ears. So
because I'm a cat.
Because she's a cat. So here we put on just the quick sketch of the ears. And the next thing we do, we already have a line for the middle of the head. So we know that this is where the nose and the eyes are going to go. So I'd like to put a line across here, Remy. Look at this. I have a line across. And that tells me where the nose goes. And the nose, we usually draw just a little tiny triangle. That gives us our nose. And then our eyes go above the line. Well, don't get ahead of me, darling. You move a little quicker than me. So the eyes, you can do them. I'm going to do mine really small. Remy likes the big, cute eyes. So she always draws big eyes. You can see her drawing. And then we have to put the mouth.
Eyelashes.
Eyelashes? Remy is a girl. She's got eyelashes. And then we put the 3 whiskers. So, and then down here, what we want to do is we're going to put little circles for where the paws go. We're going to have 3 paws that you can see right here. So here we have 1 paw.
I'm going to do this one.
1 paw for the front paws. And this is the back paw. And then what does the cat have in the back here, Remy, that you get to choose how you want to draw it? I'm going to draw mine just really thin.
I'm going to draw mine thin. A little fat at the top.
You like it fat at the top and you like it more furry. So if you look at the sketch already, we have the basic shape of the cat.
This is what I wanted to.
Yeah. See, Remy's looks a little different than mine, and that's okay, but she followed the same principles. So from here, now we have the basic sketch. I like to take about 20 to 30 seconds just to do the sketch so we can have fun putting in the details.
Yeah.
And before we do that, I want to give you a fun fact about cats, Remy. And I think you know this. Did you know that the cats have an extra layer in their eyes that makes them be able to see at night?
Because they need to catch some food.
Well, why do they need to see at night?
Because they need to catch some food.
Oh, they need to go catch some food. Yeah. So, and then when you look at them with a flashlight, you see that weird glow. It's not scary. It's just that extra layer of things so they can catch their food.
Yeah.
So that's a cute fun fact about cats, right? Yeah. So now we have the cat sketched out, and now we're going to go in and do some little details to line it out before we actually start putting some color to it.
Because we won't see it before.
Exactly. On the top of the head, I like to kind of bring the top of the forehead in front of the ears, because that tells us that the ears are kind of a little further in the back. And then I like to get my nose and my eyes out of the way. Remy's always drawing cats, so she has this down to a science. Everything that Remy draws is either cat or it has cat ears. Right, Remy?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I like it.
Because you like cats. All right, now we're going to draw the body. And then here we have the paw for the cat. We're going to come here.
You can see even weller like this.
See, and this is just a simple drawing, but I really want to show you just the basic principles of what you can do with lines, circles, and squares. All right, now we draw the tail. And then the 3 whiskers on each side. And Remy's coming in right behind me, and she drew her cat the other way around, which is pretty cool. But if you notice, there's a top and there's a bottom, because she cropped out her picture pretty cool. Now, with the magic of cinema, we're gonna spend some time using our colors to put color on these
But
cats.
we first have to erase.
Oh, you're exactly right. We have to erase it. We have to erase all the sketch lines.
For we won't have any sketch lines left.
And it looks clean. We're going to use this little kneaded eraser.
We're going to use it for every drawing we do. With you.
What I like about this eraser is that when you clean it up, there's not a lot of little mess. It kind of absorbs everything for you. And like I mentioned at the beginning, if you sketch this out really light, the sketch lines go away. See, Remy likes to draw a little darker, so she has to erase a little harder when she's ready to paint. Right, Remy?
Yes.
Okay, so we have this. You have your colors?
Yeah.
And I'm going to color my cat orange.
I'm coloring my cat gray.
Gray. You do?
I love every color I have.
Colors are fun. At the beginning, it's going to be a little tricky, but together we're going to get better, right, Remy?
Yeah.
All right, see you next time. Oh, one thing before I go, I should have done this at the beginning. Make sure to subscribe to this page if you want to see more on how Remy and I are going to draw our animals. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
We love animals.
Be kind.